My name is Mark. The pretty redhead in the picture is my wife, Elaine. And we are T&T CNC Design Studio in Groveland, Florida. What you're seeing right now is us cutting out one of our pretty famous Bigfoot silhouettes. We make them both solid one piece, and we also make them so they can be taken apart, legs, arms, and then the torso and head one piece, and shipped anywhere in the continental United States. We use marine grade plywood and Behr ultra premium exterior paint. Here you see us cutting some aluminum, another one of our specialties. And here you see me designing and then cutting some hand grips for an AR-15 rifle. That's just red oak. We can use any specialty woods you're wanting to use. Any custom design, perhaps your name or a logo, a honeycomb design, anything you can think of. One of the things that we focus on here is precision cutting, down to 1/1000th of an inch. Our American-made shop saber CNC can carve anything up to 4 feet by 8 feet. One of our specialties is PVC signs. PVC lasts a very long time outside, a lot longer than any wood. In the picture, you're seeing some of our Bigfoot accessories, candy cane, Santa Claus hat, Christmas tree. Bigfoots are a big part of what we do here. It was one of the first things that people requested because we have such a large machine. And we make them all the way up to and over 9 feet tall. That one's out at the front entrance to our house. There's one with a coffee mug. We can make them with
That's a lot of peeps.
just about any hand gesture you want. Here you'll notice we are doing some peeps for a customer.
One
He
person.
surrounded his
Not
entire
even
house
all
with
of them yet.
peeps.
So
The guy's
peep
peep
production
crazy, I guess.
is in full.
He had peeps in
swing.
his windows, peeps all along the
We
fence.
have a customer
The
that
guy goes all out.
is totally
We're happy to
decorating
help.
his
I think
whole
he did
house.
36 peeps. My wife hand painted all
Entire
of those
fence
nose and eyes.
in front of his house. And there's still another 10 to go.
This is a custom little bear chair that we put together for someone. There's an Easter decoration. These are quite popular here in Florida with the sunglasses. Do a lot of name cutouts for people and their kids on the walls in their house. This is a measurement stick for little kids. This is a little rocket shelf thing that we put together. This was for a place called Beautiful Bamboo. Big giant space shuttle. That one's 36 inches. Huge. We do quite a few battle crosses or soldier cross, whichever you want to call it. Kneeling soldiers. These are very popular around Memorial Day and Veterans Day. 4th of July stuff. Show your patriotism. We love doing patriotic products. This is a flag I made from 100-year-old wood that old guy in my neighborhood brought us. And of course we've done the entire Grinch setup. More names. PVC signs. You'll see quite a few PVC signs coming up. This was for a wedding venue. We have pool and bar signs. Anything custom with your name or your family name or any expression or quote you might want on a sign. This is one of our specialty designs that make it look like wood grain. PVC lasts for a long time. This is for an auto shop. This is for the most famous Lady Chiropractor on YouTube. These are our one-off poolside tables. More wood grain looking PVC. More of our poolside tables, some that look like fish and an orange. This was for a martial arts school for a table in their lobby. We do realtor keys, custom made with your logo. That's my wife holding one. Another martial arts school table for their lobby. And this was for an automobile shop. Again, this shows how the Bigfoot can be coming apart. This was for a local place for a hair salon. We do beach house signs, VRBO signs. This was for a local business, a counseling. This was for somebody's yoga studio. This was a mailbox sign. This was the entrance to a large property in North Carolina. 36 inches that sign was. House number signs. Photo op, custom photo op signs. This was the entrance to a local outdoor restaurant. Another farm. Again, VRBOs, vacation rentals. This was a barber shop. We do signs for Airbnbs. This was to a garden. This one is for a real estate community. This was for the Showcase of Citrus here in Florida. They wanted custom Bigfoot. That also was for Showcase of Citrus. And this is their entrance sign. Big, huge 8-foot sign we made. And they have monster buses, so I made a custom bracket and sign for them. Local chiropractic company. This is in the Villages. Somebody wants to show where they're from. This is a birthday prop. Local Century 21 real estate office, interior sign. Some Miami Hurricanes fan wanted a sign for their yard. Here's some more birthday props. Photographer wanted a Barbie box for pictures. Local restaurant here in town. Another birthday prop. Thanksgiving gnomes. Gentleman near Miami goes all out. This was custom painted to match something he had found. This is an entrance to a property in Cheekatoek, Virginia. Big 36-inch sign. We make custom Bigfoot signs to go with the Bigfoots. These were for Wreaths Across America awards we made for them. Local dog trainer posts these signs around town. This sign we designed with AI. They wanted a clash of the two teams. This was a poker chip table. This is a 78 vinyl record table. Little picture of our shop with my wife with one of the Bigfoots out front. Guy wanted a Bigfoot with a surfboard. We take any requests. This is a sign I designed up. This is for a local Chick-fil-A, lettering on the side of their building. And this sign was for a museum in New York. That's King Color Core. Awesome material. This is a 5-foot by 5-foot Connect 4 game I designed up. And this last picture was for a person's lanai.